Hello students, welcome to Praishu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is area, rectangle, square, edges and the vertices. So especially the area of rectangular and the squares. So this is practice test MT030. So answers we are going to see for this practice test. So question number 1 is there. What is the area of given figure? All squares are of 1 square centimeter area. So this is 1 square centimeter, this is 1 square centimeter, this is one, like this one. All are having one square centimeter area. So total area we have to find out. So for the total, we have to add this area plus this area plus this area. Likewise, all areas we have to find out. Now this is a 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 means 3 multiplied by 3. So this is a 9 square centimeter. Okay, so 9 square centimeter means option number 2 is a question number 2 is the length and the breadth of rectangle is 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. What is the area? As we know, area of the rectangular means length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so means 15 multiplied by 8. So 15 multiplied by 8 is equals to 120 and the unit is square centimeter. So this is given in option number 1. Now question number 3, what is the area of square having side 10 centimeter? Now square having side means now square is having all sides are equal, means there is a all sides are 10 centimeter. Now area means sides, we can say the square or side multiplied by side, or so 10 multiplied by 10 or 10 square. So this is a 100 square centimeter. So 100 square centimeter means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 4. In the adjoining figure, some squares are shown. So these are the squares shown. Find the number of squares that can be fitted in empty space in given figure. So empty space means now this is if we make the dotted so like this one. Okay, so empty space. Now these are the three means of course this line will be extended. Okay, so this will be 3 sections, and here the 2 sections means if we extend this line there will be the also the 2 sections means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 squares we can fit here. Okay, so 6 means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 5, what is the area of given figure? So here the rectangular 7 and 3 centimeters respectively sides of the length and the breadth. So for the area 7 multiplied by 3, so that is a 21, and a centimeter multiplied by centimeter means that is a square centimeter. So 21 square centimeter means no, this is a meter, so that's why this is a wrong one. So option number 3 is a correct one, square centimeter. So unit also we have to check. Okay, then question number 6, what is the area of square ground? Square ground is there with the side 55 meter is there. Okay, as we know square means all sides are the same. Okay, and the area find out. So area of the square means 55, that's the square, or we can say 55 multiplied by 55. So if you calculate this 55 multiplied by 55, so that will be 3025, and the unit is meter means this is a square meter. So 3025 square meter means option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 7, what is the breadth of a rectangle if its area is 136 square centimeter and the length is the 17 centimeter? Now here area is given, length is given, so breadth we have to calculate. As we know, length multiplied by breadth is equals to area. Okay, in a short form I just write down here. As we know the length is a 17, so multiply by breadth we have to calculate. So b as it is equals to area is a 136. Okay, then breadth is equals to 136 divided, here 17 is a multiplication, so that will be shifted here, so that will be in a division. So 17 ones and 17 eights are 136. So breadth is equals to 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeter means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 8, how much will be the labor charge to paint a square blackboard with side 4 meter at the rate of 25 per square meter? So this is the painting rate, 25 rupees, okay, per square meter. Okay, but side of the this blackboard given 4 meter, and the blackboard shape is a square. So means we can say, suppose here I'm just write down, this is a board. Okay, blackboard. So this is a 4, so this one will also the 4, this will also the 4, and this will also the 4, because this is square. So this area of this board is a 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so this is equals to the 16 square meter. Okay, so and the rate of the painting for 1 per square meter means 1 square meter. So for 1 square meter, rupees 25. So this is a 16 is a area and this is a rate. Okay, so multiply of this one, we are getting the 400 rupees. Okay, so 400 rupees. Okay, so this is given in option number 1. Now question number 9, what is the value of 16-meter long and 14-meter wide plot of a land if the value of 1 square meter plot of the land is 600? This means suppose this is a rupees. Okay, 600. Now land's length, long means that is the length, and the wide means that is the breadth. Okay, that is given. So first of all we will calculate the area of that land, because the rate is given in a meter, square meter. Okay, so in a area, okay, for the 1 square meter area is given. So this multiplication means 16 multiplied by 14. So 16 multiplied by 14, we are getting that is equals to the 224. And after this one multiplication with this one, the rate of the 1 square meter is equals to 600. So likewise there are the 224 square meter is there, and for the 1 meter that is a 600 rupees there. So this is a, after this multiplication you will get 1,34,400. This is in rupees or the any currency. Okay, so this is given in option number 2. So the option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 10, the side of square classroom is 3 meter. How much labor charge will be paid for fitting pavement at the rate of rupees, or we can say any currencies? Suppose we are assuming rupees 30 per square meter. Okay, means 1 square meter means that 1 unit areas rate is given. Okay, now that classroom is a square and a side is a 3 meter, means we can say suppose this is a classroom, so this is a 3 meter, so this will also the 3 meter. So area is 3 multiplied by 3 means a 9. So 9 square meter is the area, and for one area 30 rupees is there. So 9 multiplied by this 30. Okay, so that is equal to 9 3 is 27, and then this 0 means 270. That is a in given in option number 3. Now question number 11, how many square of side 4 meter will be formed in a ground of length 16 meter and the breadth 12 meter? So how many squares can be formed? The suppose this is a ground, so this is 16 meter and this is a 12 meter. So square of the 4 meter we have to form. So this is 1 meter, like this is a 1 square meter, this is a 1 square meter. Okay, but that 1 square meter means this is the area of this one. Okay, but having the 4 by 4, okay, this is the side. So like this one, so first of all we will calculate this area also and this area also. Okay, so 16 multiplied by this 12, that's is equals to 192, divided with this area means 4 multiplied by 4, that is a 16. So after this one means this 16 multiplied by 12, if we are getting 192, of course to 192 if we are divided by 16 we are getting the 12, so that is the 12. So like this one 12 numbers of the squares we can found out on that ground. So 12 means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 12, the perimeter of square is 120 meter, then what is the area? So square, so this square is there, perimeter is a 120. Now this is the x side and this is the x. Okay, so as we know the perimeter is given, so this is a x plus x, or suppose this is a. Okay, actually that is a square, so that's why this is a 4x is equals to 120. Okay, so x is equals to this is a 30. Okay, so this is a 30 and this is a 30. Now area we have to find out means 30 multiply by this 30. Okay, or we can say 30 square, so that is equals to the 900, and the unit is there is a unit is given meter, so that is a 900 square meter, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 13, the length and the breadth of rectangular class, this is a class, okay, spelling mistake is there, room is 8 meter and 4 meter, so means 8 meter is the length and the 4 meter is the breadth. How much labor charge will be paid to fitting pavement in a classroom at the rate of 25 rupees square meter. So first of all we have to find out the area. So 8 meter multiplied by 4 meter. So 8 multiplied by 4, this is equals to the 32 square meter, and multiply by with the rate of the pavement, that is a 25. So 25 multiplied by 32. So 25 to the 55 as a carry, 25 3 is a 75 plus 5, that is a 80. So that is a 80 rupees is there. Okay, so means 800. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 14, the area of square is 225 square centimeter. This is a square. Okay, then what is the length of its side? As we know, suppose that is a area of this square. Okay, so this is a same, all the sides are the same of the square. As we know, the area means this is a side square, or we can side multiply by side. So a multiply by a means a square. So that is given 225. Now which number having the 225? Okay, means which number square having the 225? So that is a 15. So means this is a 15. Okay, this is also the 15. So side is a 15. So 15 is given in option number 4. Now, question number 15. Savita walks a distance of 120 meter when she completed one round of a rectangular ground with length 25 meter. Then what is the area of that ground? So suppose this is a one ground. Okay, so length is given 25 meter, means that is a rectangular point. Okay, length is mentioned. Suppose this is a and this is a b. Suppose this is a b is unknown. Okay, for this one completed round is completed, then the distance is 120 meter, means this is a perimeter of this one. Okay, so perimeter is given, that is a 120 is equals to length is given, that length is a 25 meter. Okay, so that length is given 25 meter and plus breadth, and as we know perimeter is a 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, so this 2 is a multiplication, after this one it will be the in division. So 120 divided by this 2, it's a is equals to 25 plus breadth. So this is equals to the 60, and 25 plus this breadth, so breadth is equals to 60. This 25 will be minus to this 60, so like this one. So 60 minus 25, it's a 35. So breadth is a 35. Now where to find out the area? Now we know the length and we know the this breadth. So length and the breadth, so multiplication of one side. Okay, as we know now this is a length actually, because this is a more one and previously was the breadth. So 35 meter multiplied by this 25 meter, that we have to multiplication do. So then we are getting the area of this one. After this multiplication we are getting 875, and the unit is a meter. Okay, so 875 is given in option number 2. Thank you.